Hi guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel Tech World. Here with us is Paul New Listening Exchanges, which is KuCoins. So Paul is listening on KuCoins. They say what premier new listening got PAWS get listed on KuCoin. So Paul is going to be listing on KuCoins. So he's going to be listening on KuCoin. So what you have to do now, paste post that USDT deposit now, deposit open. You understand? Deposit open now open. Network Solana dash trading 10 a.m. March 10 o'clock March 18. So Paul is going to be listening on KuCoin. So we have two, we have Bybit, Biget, and KuCoin. So we are hoping that um, Binance is going to join. We're hoping that Binance is going to join. PAWS get listed on KuCoins World Premier KuCoins World Premier. So deposit and your deposit is open now. Then so the other part is that claiming your allocation to the exchanges have started on open until March 16. Available only via POTS web. Open until March 16. So you have to do yours now. Connect your Bybit. What they requested is your UID and your deposit address. Even in Biget wallet exchanges, what they request is the same thing, your UID and your deposit address. Just do it to check my other video on how to do that. If you have not done it, just do it and check my other video on how to do that. So we'll be giving you an update on Paul list on the 18th. So thank you very much for joining me. Other airdrop link are also there for you to do join so that you'll be start mining other airdrop. So thank you. Bless you.